The, the demise of Rotarian G.C. Nageshwaran sir came to me as a shock yesterday. Though I have not had the opportunity to interact with him on a personal level, I know that he was an initiator to make our club the first 100% PHF club in the world. We can all proudly say that our club is a 100% PHF club because of him. As you all know, he contributed his entire life to Rotary, from initiating projects to organizing get-together. Rotarian G.C. Nageshwaran uncle did it all. He was a man of integrity and worked tirelessly to spread joy. He was past president and generously contributed towards various causes. He also initiated the eradication of polio campaign in and around Coimbatore. Apart from being a major donor, he never shied away from any contribution. Adhering to Rotary spirit, he found a need, he took the lead. He never spoke negative about anyone and always encouraged a harmonious environment in the club. All in all, he is the prime example of a person we all can look up in life to aspire to be. Our deepest condolences are with his family and loved ones. Thank you. I now request Rotarian Ramani Shankar uncle to say a few words.
Hello.
Yeah. Ramani Shankar uncle, please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Fellow Rotarians, we have lost a noble soul. We have lost a true Rotarian. We have lost one of the most ethical industrialists of Coimbatore. We have lost a citizen of India. In total, we have lost a wonderful human being. I had known him ever since 1967, when we met at the tennis court at YMCA. Nageshwaran, Jagannathan, and Frank used to play tennis in the evenings at Coimbatore YMCA. All the three of them used to work for Festo LG and LGB. They used to come there in a two-wheeler and we used to meet there in the tennis. We used to have a wonderful time. Subsequently, Jagannathan and Nageshwaran, we call them terrible twins or inseparable twins in mind, heart, thought, act, and whatever you may call it. There were one soul in two bodies, and they were together and they started their industry at Patel Road. My house used to be in Ramnagar. We used to meet so regularly. When we formed the club, I approached Nageshwaran and Jagannathan. I wanted them to become a member of our Rotary Club, and they accepted. And they introduced Raghavan to us, and Raghavan joined us. All the three used to be working together in the same compound. Wonderful people, and exemplary pearl in the garment, a jewel in the garland was Nageshwaran. Such a soft-spoken man, comes from a very simple family but highly educated family. His father was the headmaster of a school, and he came up from that with their innovation. They established the industry. they supported their families, their brothers, their sisters, their friends, everybody they supported. Jagannathan and Nageshwaran supported everybody. And the industry, the old saying goes well. If the thought is good, act is good. If the act is good, life is good. Nageshwaran thought was good, act was good, and he lived a noble life. He became secretary to the club when I was a president, and meticulous planning. We used to work on every Thursdays together for a Saturday meeting. He will keep the agenda ready. He will keep everything ready. A meticulous man who worked in detail. And subsequently, when he became the president of the club, our club achieved the glory. The glory is that we became 100% Paul Harris Polo Club, and our name was etched in the Rotary headquarters. It was a singular effort by Nageshwaran. He went to Rotarian, financed people, advanced people, God convinced them, got them get into Paul Harris Fellow. Such a wonderful man. Nageshwaran never talked loud. I do not know whether he can get angry. That senses was not there at all for him. I have never seen Nageshwaran getting angry. The last 53 years I had known him. 53 years I had known him. Such a soft-spoken man, such a helpful man, such a wonderful man. We have lost him. We pray God Almighty to give the strength to their family to bear the loss, and give the strength to the Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central and our friends to bear the loss. The empty seat, where an empty name in the register, that Nageshwaran is no more. His soul would have reached heaven certainly. A noble soul. A noble soul, he would have reached straight to the heaven and the lotus feet of God. Let us pray Almighty for all the thing what he has done there. The great man, lovable friend, wonderful husband, wonderful Rotarian, wonderful industrialist, wonderful human being, and wonderful partner to Jagannathan, wonderful father to children, and we can keep on adding about him. He was a noble man. His name will be etched in the human life forever. Let's pray. Om Shanti. Kalyani would like to say something. Back to you, President. You have to unmute. Mr. President, you have to unmute.
Yeah.
Ashish,
Ramani uncle, now I request Ramani uncle to say a few words. Yeah.
Ramani uncle.
President.
Yeah.
And dear friends, I would like to share with you some of the wonderful moments which we had with Nageshwaran. Ramani Shankar did portray the entire personality of our dear GCN. He will continue to live in the minds of every one of us. There is fond memories and nostalgia which will be there in all our minds. I would like to share quickly with all of you. Rotary, the Karta of 100% PHF Club. The Paul Harris Fellow Club was made by him. When we think of Jagannathan and Nageshwaran, they are inseparables. Together they started, they gathered strength. Over the last 40 years, I had known both of them so well, seen right from their Patel Road days with Raghavan. We used to have a wonderful time. And from where they started, these two wonderful, accomplished engineers, the best technocrats, they chose a field and went on and on and on. Next. To a stage, I was once pleasantly surprised. Mr. Kutztoll, who is the chairman of world's #1 pneumatic company, Pesto in Germany, once I was talking to him and he said, we never had any competition in the world. Now we have to be careful because genetics is there. Genetics became #2 in the entire operations. Nageshwaran and Jagannathan, I said, they are inseparables. The family is so close to each other. Not only both of them, the family, the next generation, and lovely moments we have enjoyed with Nageshwaran and Jagannathan family. Next. Here we see both Jagannathan's father and Nageshwaran's father. The kind of a respect which they had for their elders in the family, amazing. They will all be together. அது மாதிரி பார்க்கணும்னாக்க one has to, it's very rarely, I don't know whether we'll be able to see something like this again. And that was GCN and now Jagannathan. Next. The made for each other couple. நாங்கள் எப்பவும் we used to tell Nageshwaran, வாத்தியார் பெண்ணை கணக்கு பிடிச்சேன்ட்டு. Nageshwaran's teacher's daughter, Sabita. Wonderful couple. We used to make fun of both of them. Both of them were very lively, always joyous. I mean, nothing short of smiling all the time. Next. Once, and then again, Kala. Kala and Sabita, we used to tell them those days of Jayalalitha and the other lady, Sashikala, as Akka Tanga Madri. We used to talk about both of them. Next. Next. With the children, he enjoyed the time with the children. All of them, Lavanya, Bharti, Karthik, Ganeshan, Nimmi, and here we see Raman's son over there, Badri. Next. Enough and more. Look at his face now, Nageshwaran. Suri is trying to look the other way out. He doesn't want to share the burden. So Nageshwaran enjoyed his company with the children and service about self. None of the Rotary program, go to the next. The service about self was very close to him. He has not missed any Rotary program. The polio immunization was spearheaded by him and Jagannathan all through. Next. And lovely time with the Rotary family. So much of fun and enjoyable time. We can never forget that. Next. And on to various places, Rotary 2 to Kodaikanal. Look at everyone enjoying. Next. And here is our dancing Nageshwaran. Lighter vein, all the time. We used to enjoy the time with him. Such a jovial person. Next. He's only mommy with such a big mush. So, Pattu Mami and Kittu Mama, we had one of the Rotary programs. We just played a skit and enjoyed the time with Nageshwaran. Next. Yes, we will never forget this trip to Kabini. Some of us went to Kabini, the resort, and what a wonderful time we had with Nageshwaran and Sabita. Next. Yes, the inseparables. They have redefined friendship and understanding. And what is so fascinating is they have just percolated their qualities, their passion, their friendship, their love and affection to the next generation. Karthik and Ganesh are just imbibed from both of them. Very rarely you see two families so beautifully amalgamated together and just percolating the same qualities to the next generation. Amazing. Next. Friends, you'll always remember Nageshwaran like this. Such a cute person. Remember, we all went to Taipei for the Rotary International Convention. The kind of activities we enjoyed. There are wonderful moments with Nageshwaran. Some of the qualities, he's a best friend. I've never seen him talking negative about anybody. Even in a conversation, someone comes and says, oh, this man did this. He will try to slowly move away from the topic. He will just change the topic. What a wonderful quality. Nobody has seen him talking anything negative about anybody. So such a wonderful, as Ramani Shankar said, he has been a great engineer, a great technocrat, achiever par excellence, a friend to, more than a friend to Jagannathan, whatnot. Nageshwaran is an era. Is an era. He'll continue to be an era. Every one of us in Rotary Central, we'll all, and the families, will fondly remember our dear, dear, dear Nageshwaran. I just want Radha to say a few words.
நாகேஸ்வரன் நினைச்சா இப்படி கண்ணத்துல குழி விழுது அந்த குறும்பா சிரிக்கிறது இருக்குல்ல நாகேஸ்வரன் தான் அதான் நாகேஸ்வரர். எல்லாருமே சொல்லுவாங்க ஒருத்தரை தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னா அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும்னு. ஜெகநாதன் நாகேஸ்வரர் எங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்னு சொல்லிக்கிறதுல எங்களுக்கு தான் அத்தனை பெருமையும் அந்த பெருமிதமும். எவ்வளவு பேர் பிறக்கிறாங்க, எவ்வளவு பேர் போறாங்க. சில பேர் தான் இந்த மாதிரி எந்த ஒரு நெகட்டிவும் சொல்ல முடியாம தன்னோட ஃபுட் பிரிண்ட்டை விட்டுட்டு போயிட்டா. இவரை மாதிரி இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும்னா நாகேஸ்வரன் ஜெகநாதனை தான் சொல்லணும். இத்தனையோ நல்ல கோல்டன் மொமெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தது. ஒரு நதியில போற தண்ணி திருப்பி வராது மாதிரி அந்த காலம் திருப்பி அது ஒரு காலம் நல்லா அது கடவுள் கொடுத்தாருன்னு நான் நினைச்சுக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா அவரை மாதிரி ஒரு மனுஷன் எப்பவும் சிரிக்காம ஜோக் அடிப்பார். மற்றவங்க ஜோக் அடிச்சா குழந்தை மாதிரி சிரிப்பார். ஜாலியா இருக்கணும், பாசிட்டிவா தான் பேசணும், பாசிட்டிவா பார்க்கணும். இந்த கை கொடுக்கறது இந்த கைக்கு தெரியாது. எத்தனையோ சமயங்கள்ல கை கொடுத்திருக்காரு எல்லாருக்கும். எங்களுக்கும் ரொம்ப நாகேஸ்வரன் ஜெகநாதன் நினைச்சாக்க ஏதோ போன ஜென்மத்துல பண்ண புண்ணியத்துலதான் இந்த மாதிரி ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சான்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். அவருக்கு ஜெகநாதன் எப்படி இவர் எண்ணம்னா அவர் செயல்தான். சபிதா ஜாடிக்கு மூடி மாதிரி இவருக்கு ஏத்த ரெண்டு பேரும் குலுங்கி குலுங்கி அவர் சிரிப்பா, இவர் சிரிக்காம ஜோக் எடுப்பார். அது ஒரு செட்டே, ஒரு ஜாலியான செட்டு. அதுல குழந்தைங்க அத்தனை பட்டு குழந்தைகள் அவருக்கு செஞ்ச மிகப்பெரிய புண்ணியம் சபிதாவும் அந்த குழந்தைகள் அவ்வளவு ஒரு பாசம். அப்பாவையும் அப்படிதான் கவனிச்சுட்டாங்க. அவரோட பிளெஸிங்ஸ் கட்டாயம் அவங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். நாகேஸ்வரன் ஒவ்வொரு தடவை நோட்புக்ல எழுதி எழுதி ஒண்ணு செய்யும் போதையும் அந்த டிசிப்ளினும் மெட்டிகுலஸ் அந்த பிளானிங்கும் ரமணி அவர்கிட்ட இருந்துதான் முதல்ல கத்துந்தது. நாகேஸ்வரன் மாதிரி தான் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. We love you, Nagesh. We miss you so much.
Now I request T.N. Shivkumar uncle to say a few words. Yeah. Unmute yourself, uncle.
My President Rotarian Nageshwaran ji, we are missing you. You are a great personality. I learned a lot while I was your secretary in Rotary. You changed my attitude towards life. You have brought such a great laurel to the club. You lifted Coimbatore Rotary Central to world #1 position in Rotary. What a great thing it is. Every polio day, 2 days before, I receive a letter from you. Please send your car and the driver. Yes, you made me to participate in polio every polio day. It was great of you. And such a great commitment. You carried everyone with you, the friends, the family members, and your business partner, Jagannath. Your family was a lovable one. Madam Sabida, Lavanya, Bharati, Karti, you nurtured a great family. We Rotarians did many evenings in your house. Excellent, memorable place. My dear President Nageshwaran, I appeal to you, kindly reserve a place for me nearer to you, wherever you are. I will come and join you and work as a secretary to you at that place. As and when the Almighty permits me to join you, may your soul rest in peace. Thank you, President.
Now I request Dr. Para to say a few words.
Thank you, Ashish. I'm still getting to come out of the grief. Please excuse me. If I start talking, I'll get emotional. I'll break down. Please excuse me.
Raman uncle, you
think about Rotarian GCN,
yeah.
a great friend, wonderful Rotarian, and more than that, one of the best clients of our firm. It reminds me, it was somewhere in middle of 1987. Three of them visited our office. Uday Kumar, Jagannathan, Nageswaran. All of them are our clients. But as soon as they reached our office, he told us, please give your biodata. I was puzzled why they were asking for my biodata. Then they would tell me, we want to induct you in our Rotary Center. At that time, I was a little skeptical, and we were in the midst of our thick of our practice. Giving time to Rotary, was it possible and all? We were wondering. Then history is history now. Then it was on 19th September 1987, I was inducted into Rotary just because of our great GC Nageswaran. And therefore my role in Rotary, what I rejoice, relish, are all only due to Rotarian GC Nageswaran. All my great friends and senior Rotarians have shared their moments of GCN's Rotary event. Let me share a few of our experience with GC Nageswaran's commitment to a cause and his ethical standards. Let me share a few of that. It was from 1986 to 2009, they borrowed loan from TIICC. They have borrowed 22 term loans. From all these 24 years, not even once there was a delay or mistake in the payment of term loan. So therefore, TIICC immediately granted them gold card for their excellent prompt payment. Not only that, they also gave him for any loans, you need not have any security. Secondly, they also said, for you, loan will be sanctioned on the time. This shows their commitment to the bankers. And he is always a lender's loved one and bankers' delight. And I will also indicate one more instance. This was an income tax department. There was a survey and TDS inspection took place. I remember it was on 25th September 2012 or 13. Then we were all little skeptical. Then GCN came at that time. Raman, not to worry, let them take whatever the records they take. And you know, as soon as an inspecting authority come to your premises and take all the records, that was about TDS. It was a very tedious affair. Then they took all the records. After a month, we get a letter. We are all thinking whether what will be the demand, what would happen. We received a letter from the Commissioner of Income Tax stating that a certificate of excellence, certificate of prompt compliance. Can you imagine an income tax authority having visited your place? He issues a certificate. This all goes to the commitment GC Nageswaran shown in his own business. And there are a lot of such instances I can quote as far as my professional line is concerned. And when it comes to my Rotary, and I know those days for pulse polio, whenever we refer pulse polio, we will remember only GC Nageswaran. December, that time, when I was inducted in the early period, he used to call us, and Veerabandi, Tudiyulu, and Tadagam. These are all the areas allotted to us. Promptly, you will be there. You will perfectly plan and wonderfully perform, and then ensure all our young Rotarians are there. Now, for all the young Rotarians, he was a guide, and he used to tell them at what point of time you have to come, and we will ensure that we are there. It is very difficult to escape the GCN's command, and as soon as this is there, rest is the pleasure of RV and Natarajan's Tiffin there. So this is how, and lot of things, of course, as you all pointed out, is the reason for 100% pitch for our club. And when he was a president, he conducted himself as a Rotary president in an amazing manner. We used to wonder. And as soon as he became president of the club, you all really will not agree. He immediately had an office at Trichy Road, put a secretary there. For the entire 1 year, he was not attending his office. He was devoting the entire period of his presidency only towards attending the Rotary work. Next time when I asked him, how did it go? Raman, they would have forgotten me in my genetics office. This is the time I have to go there. This is an amount of total dedication, whatever the task. He used to say, no wonder it is fittingly Rajaram and our president thought fit to induct, and Karthik officially is known as G.N. Balachandar into our Rotary fold. The induction of Balachandar in nothing but only glorifies the contribution GCN has made. GCN is a man of great Rotarian, a complete man, a perfect professional, example of ethics and excellence, lovable friend, man of magnanimity, generous gentleman. How is that possible for us to remember? And then finally, next month bulletin, the December bulletin, is going to be the bulletin in memorial of our GC Nageswaran. Rajaram was telling from America, next month bulletin is a memorial issue. And on this issue, I may request all our Rotarians who have got a lot of experience. We have only shared my experience, a few of that. Lot of Rotarians have got wonderful connections and lot of great things to say about our GCN. As a mark of our tribute, may I request all our Rotarians to share your experience by way of giving your write-up to Rajaram, so that next December bulletin will be is only for GCN. Only GCN can be an example to this extent. GCN, we remember you, we relish you, we always rejoice your memory. Myself, Vaidegi, and our entire family, we all feel emotionally about the loss of GCN. Our condolences to GCN's family and our friends who are lost. Thank you, President.
I request Suryana to say a few words.
Well, friends, I've had a long history with him. I would share more my personal interaction with him, because all the Rotarians have said about what's his personality, his role in Rotary, his social, everything. See, I myself, along with Jagannathan, Nageshwaran, and Raghavan, I also had an industry in the same campus in Patel Road. Since then, it's more than 40 to 50 years we have been together. He has been my guide, philosopher, whatnot, everything for me. Every step I used to get his guidance, and then we always interact very often. Both GCN and Nageshwaran were a guiding spirit behind every action that I take in industry as well as in personal life. He advised us how to run the office, how to interact with the staff, and all these things. In fact, I had learned a lot of him in running an industry. Not only that, he also used to be personally also, we had a very close interaction with him. But I should say, you may feel funny that when I knew him before my marriage. When I was settled to marry Savitri, in fact, Nageshwaran Jagannathan had more telephonic interaction with Savitri than I had. because they had such a close interaction. Somehow I feel emotionally touched with this. I backed on Nageshwar and Jagannathan for almost everything. In fact, I should say today my daughter is a good singer is just because Nageshwar's initiative. When she was a good singer, of course, earlier she had a voice, she used to sing. But then I didn't know anything about the live program that's going on in Sun TV. It was Nageshwan who said, "This is Sun TV, you must go, your Veena should go, take part." And also, I did not do anything. He only guided us everything, how to go, what to do, everything he did. Not only that, those days, it was shooting there. Savitri and Veena used to go to travel to Chennai very often for shooting and for every stage of this thing. It all, for everything, I think the genetics, I had the great help of genetics for the travel tour back to Chennai and back. I think they're very grateful to both Nageshwan and Jagannathan to do this. And today, if I say Veena, she would say, place all her achievements, everything at the feet of Nageshwaran, because he who initiated her to the good singing in public life, and it's because of him. Today, those days, when I used to travel outside the road, people used to say, people who see me say it is Saptaswaram Veena's father. So I had the privilege of being introduced by my daughter because of him. So it is nice of him, Nageshwaran. I just can't say why he's not there, and also it's very difficult for me. I have to interact with him for everything, even after I closed my industry and the thing. Also, I had a regular interaction with him. But unfortunately, this COVID time, the last moments, I had a lot of difficulty in going in meeting him often. It is very sad that I could not meet him at the end. Only wish I will be able to interact with more. At least not now. At least in the heaven or hell, wherever it is, wherever he goes. One day or that I will also be there. I will be interact with him. I hope I will be. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity. Let one day I will join him. No problem, definitely. Thank you.
Thank you. I request Balu Anna to say a few words.
Thank you, President. Even though I was very young to Rotary, I was emotionally connected with both GCN and KJ. And it is amazing. Before joining Rotary, I have met them and then a business connection. And GCN gave me his name card and I exchanged a name card. Then I went to Mr. KJ and KJ said the same name card is enough for both. Later I noticed the name card of genetics, both their names were there. It is amazing. I just got a shock in my life. What a friends they are. What a partnership it is. Amazing, amazing. Later joining Rotary, and the day I took over as the president, afternoon KJ called me and can you come for about half an hour to Ariyvedhi Sala? I said, yes, I will go and come. I went there. I am fortunate enough to get the blessings of the GCN with a check of 1 lakh rupees for the Rotary. That was the first donation I received. And I was so happy. And after that, I got a lot of chance to interact with him whenever we meet for the fellowship. And as everybody has said here, he is so nice and he never want to talk about others. If somebody talks about it, he simply change the topic and then go away from it. Jovially enjoying and very, 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 very friendly. And I am so also fortunate during that year, I was able to conduct a small grand function for him and everybody participated and we presented a nice memento to him and a nice citation also prepared by Dr. Para and Dr. Arvia. It was beautifully prepared. It's like a child. He was, even though he was not so physically fit at that time, he made it a point to come and sit there for a long time and he prepared so nicely and he remembered everybody in spite of all his difficulties without leaving anyone and he showed his gratitude and thanks to everybody. We all miss him, such a wonderful person. I can only say he is a role model for Rotary. For every Rotarian in our club, you want to be a true Rotarian, he is a role model for it. So thank you so much, my President, for the opportunity. And I pray God for him to give home something. Thank you.
Yeah, I request Krishna Kumar Anna to say a few words.
Friends, we are here in a very, very solemn situation with the demise of our beloved GCN. In the initial years when I joined Rotary, he was a person who was easily approachable and has always been a source of inspiration to many people like me. We all know that when we look at the picture of an achiever, we look at him as a tough taskmaster normally. But here was a person, Rotarian GCN, who could accomplish everything by being soft, by being affectionate, by not raising his voice, yet getting things done. It was a totally different model of leadership that is never written even in the business schools anywhere. I also want to just bring to your notice a couple of the interactions which we had, or events which I would like to remember. One thing was, his, apart from polio, his contribution to equip one government lab school every year. It started with a significant contribution by his father in the first year, and for several years thereafter, both Nageshwaran and Jagannathan would, on behalf of Rotary Coimbatore Central, take up a government school, equip the school with an excellent laboratory project so that the entire generation of children passing out of that school would come over. Any commitment that they take up was always for a long term. They would never do one thing and give it up. And this was something amazing, that they could equip so many schools, and the involvement that GCN would show in trying to choose the equipment and the school and making it happen was absolutely amazing. This was something which is outstanding. The other thing outside Rotary where I could get involved was when he was the chairman of CII Coimbatore Zone. Rotarian GCN took up a project on his own beyond CII as a part of CII to bring in IT industry into Coimbatore. The initiative called CoimbatoreIT.com was then launched, and for almost 4 to 5 years, he would spend not less than 2 days a week meeting regularly, trying to find out how it would happen. GCN, along with me, when Raghavendra Prasad and Tangaraj of AGT Electronics would meet so much, and his entire planning was and dedication was to make IT industry in Coimbatore a reality. And because of his persistent efforts in going several times to Chennai, meeting people, organizing events, the Tidal Park in Coimbatore became a reality, and even Coimbatore, CII Coimbatore had acknowledged it at a function thereafter. So if today Coimbatore has become a mini hub for the IT industry, if there are industries like Robert Bosch, which are employing 10,000s of people here in Coimbatore, credit to a great extent should go to Nageshwaran, who was the brain behind the whole thing. And he would do all this without any benefit for himself or his company, because genetics had nothing to benefit from the whole exercise. For him, commitment to society was paramount and beyond any of this thing. So I think the best way that we could all pay homage to this person is to only ensure that whatever commitment we take up, we keep it up to the fullest and ensure that the benefits of the society are always in our heart. My pranams to Rotarian GCN on this occasion. Let time, which is the only healer, bring solace to his family and to all of us in the Rotary Central family. Thank you.
I request Raghavan uncle to say a few words. Raghavan uncle, please unmute yourself. He's not. He's not able to hear. Raghavan uncle. Please unmute yourself, Raghavan uncle.
Right. Am I clear? Am I able to, are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
you know, already some of the Rotarians, especially Ramani Shankar, has been highly emotional while talking about his association with our GC Nageshwaran. I don't know if we can get one more person like GC Nageshwaran with all those qualities in our midst. My association with GC Nageshwaran, I think, started somewhere when I came to Coimbatore in 1967, when I joined LNW. So immediately after that, I had connection with Nageshwaran and K. Jagannathan. For a few years, both of us, Nageshwaran Jagannathan together and myself, it so happened we started developing some idea of starting something on our own. And it so happened I started first. I took a place in 141 Patel Road. So there was another shed vacant. So I said, Nageshwaran, why don't you come? There's a shed available here. Why don't you come and join? So that started, that was the beginning of genetics, and started first, and genetics and my small unit among metering pumps. From then onwards, it has been, even before that also, there has been a sort of friendship. More than a friendship it was. We shared much of our problems, technical problems, anything what we had, there was no problem between us. And I saw what took Nageshwaran Jagannathan forward much ahead of me, and I'm so happy to say that, is that the meticulous planning that Nageshwaran Jagannathan put, not only planning, the amount of hard work, till late in the night they used to sit and plan. Whereas I was happy to just to while away the time and still be happy with what I was doing. And the net result is, today they have built an organization known the worldwide, Genetics for Pneumatic Systems. And they boldly took the step. Every step they took with a certain amount of planning. Initially, when we started, I think they also had the same financial difficulties that I had. But then they took the bold step with a certain amount of planning to go forward, and that made what genetics is today. And not only that, they took the risk of going to Hanover, exhibit their products, and show to the world, yes, in India, there's a small-scale industry which can produce such quality products, world-class products. And it immediately won acclaim throughout the world, and they started getting orders from all over the world, and that made what genetics is today. I've been coming to a certain area which you may not have covered. So I joined CII, and probably along with that, in the same period, Nageshwaran Jagannathan also, their company also, Genetics also joined CII. And Nageshwaran went on to become the chairman of CII. And during his chairmanship, the amount of meticulous planning he has done to bring Coimbatore into focus, the national level, especially in IT industries. Because IT industries, till then, if I remember correctly, TCS had a small office in Coimbatore, maybe, if I remember correctly, on HDFC office, a portion of it, I think they were occupying that. From then, initially nobody wanted to come to Coimbatore, but he persisted on that, and then he was able to impress upon some of the IT industrialists to come to Coimbatore, and some of them came, and gave a talk on this, mainly because of the effort that GCN took. And that was the forerunner of IT industries in Coimbatore. You can go on talking about it, and the background of the joining Rotary, because I joined Rotary as a charter member, and I thought, why not request Nageshwaran and Jagannathan also to join Rotary. So I persuaded them, and in fact, from the other side, Ramani Shankar, who was their friend on the tennis circle, I think he also put pressure on them, and that is how both Nageshwaran and Jagannathan joined Rotary, and they had contributed immensely so much, not only to Rotary, to all of us by their setting up examples of excellent leadership. Something which you don't come across so easily in public life. I only wish at this that I know that not only that they have trained both Karthi and Jagannathan's son to take up the responsibility, and they are doing wonderfully well. And I'm sure the legacy that they are leaving behind will prosper. And at this time, we, my Bhavani and myself and my family, join all of you in expressing your heartfelt condolences to the family of Nageshwar. Thank you so much for the opportunity given to me.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajan. Rajaram sir, you would like to say a few words? Please unmute yourself.
10% only. Charge. Charge.
I think he's unmuted.
Yeah, you can.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
All my friends, they said whatever they wanted to say about GCN. I would like to say that he's a great soul, incomparable person. Not that we are not paying any lip service to him.
How to get in charge?
What we have said is from
How to get
the
in charge?
innermost recesses of our heart, and he's such a great person, a person beyond compare. I have never seen such a person in my life, a person without any blemish, a person who cares for others, a person who sympathizes with the downtrodden, a person who emits empathy for others, and a person who always works for the welfare of others. That is our great GCN. And friends, I want to bring out a memorial issue for GCN, because whatever we said today will vanish into thin air. So what we are going to write and preserve in the bulletin, that will last forever. So I request all the friends who have moved with the GCN very closely to share the experience with them and forward the articles to me. And one thing, my concern today, it's a sad concern. Out of 70 Rotarians, only 27 have participated in the condolence meeting. I am very sad, and because GCN is a man who has cultivated each and every young Rotarian in our club. If the young Rotarians have attended today's condolence meeting, they would have understood the importance of Rotarian. So we have to carry forward the legacy of GCN and impart his qualities in the young Rotarians of the club. This is my only concern. With that, I will withdraw. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Damona, you'd like to say some few words?
Good evening. It is very sad news. And in fact, I personally have a very long association with him, one before Rotary and after Rotary. In fact, it is early 80s when I was working for LMW R&D. They started their unit and they started, creating, developing the pneumatic items first. And so I was there to inspect and they took trial with with their first product. And there is no revert back. Since then, just immediately it got accepted. And it was a continuous supply since almost 84, 85 to LMW. Actually, their supplies are OEM based. And subsequently, I happened to start, I started my industry in Sitco in the same place where Genetics is there. And their company, Genetics, is a role model company in Sitco. And every one of us, he's an he's a good inspiration. In engineering, their company and the systems what they have created is par excellence. And every one of us will always talk about Genetics every moment, to take their inventory stock, their systems, every system in an MSME, every systems are in place. Anybody can run the industry right now. They have created such a beautiful industry, ethicful, and engineering wise, that is one of best industry in Coimbatore. I can say Sitco and Coimbatore. And when it comes to Rotary, when I took the presidency, even before my installation, I visited him and he spoke to me more than about an hour. Though he was not able to talk freely, he took off words. He explained about the first day incident, his experience. And he was explaining about all his Rotary experience. And that time when I told him about my idea of I want to showcase all the projects done by our club, and I want to take up video clippings and make some sort of a corporate film. I just shared my idea with him those days. That time, he immediately said, he was so happy and said, this is one of the best idea. Immediately you go ahead. Then I told him that you should participate. We want to take a small, video clipping with all of our members with, uniform and everything. And we have planned it KPR's farm. He immediately said, definitely I will be there. And it was amazing that in spite of his small issues, he came there and everyone knew about the rest. And he participated and very enthusiastically, I remember those days, Rotary like that, even with his own thing, he lifted his hand, along with the team. And it was very emotional at any point of time if I think about that. And later on, he visited my installation and I visited at least about 4 or 5 times during my presidency. And every time when I visit, he'll give some tip, like you do like this, you do like that. And it was very memorable. And he made us, many members made us, gave me good inputs, and he gave me a wonderful tips about Rotary and him. It is, I'll remember forever. And it is a huge loss for our club and for the society as a whole. Thank you. Thank you, President, for the...
Now I request Dr. SVK Uncle to say a few words.
Certainly, the passing away of our great friend is a big loss to all of us. And my own association as him was limited, but still, whenever I meet and I talk to him, I knew he is a person who deserves respect. And because he was concerned about all poor people, and any program or any project that he say when I was a president, he was always ready to help. Not only that, he has helped me also in my own professional way. I was making a simulator for a particular operation in our urology for prostate, and I need quite a few help in developing that product. And he did help me out to a point that I got the Best Innovation Award in our All India Urology Conference. That way, I don't think I can ever forget him. So I take this opportunity to convey my condolence to the entire family of GCN. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle. Any other Rotarian want to say a few words can come forward and say.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rajnikant, sir, please tell.
Yeah. How to work? Hello. Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Good evening, everybody. And I would like to just narrate a few things about GCN and bonding to Rotary and to every member of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Central. I remember one day, Mr. GCN rang up and he wanted to he said, my father and my sister is planning to come and make some jewelry with you. I said, sir, why don't you come? He said, sir, you are there. I have nothing to worry. And that particular thing went on for more than 10, 15 years. All the time the father will come or the sister will come, the children started coming. And he has never, he said, they can't you take care. I said, please come. Once he came at that time. Otherwise, all the time he has already entrusted to us. And it was going on for a very smooth way. Next thing, I remember very important thing. There was no BNI at that time, but that bonding of Rotary was something extraordinary. Or business-wise, relation-wise, we can never forget. Forget about that, but the Savita and all the, 30 years back, 27 years back, the group which we had of the Rotary and also, that was excellent. That type of meeting, celebrating Rotarian night and all these things, it was very good. One more thing is coming to my mind. At the time of our 100% Polaris Fellow membership was needed, he went along with at least taking 1 or 2 Rotarians to everybody's house, He will not even, he said, wait, what time you are free, will come, we would like to only talk to you. He came at about 7:30 in the night in the house. Within 5 minutes, we all decided that I want to become a PHF. Likewise, he has not even left anybody, and successfully, because of his untiring effort, we all could become PHF in the whole world. And this is the kindness of the GCN. And I've never seen this bonding like, Jagannathan and GCN, KJ and GCN anywhere else, And we are very much going to miss our GCN, sir. And we pay homage, and on behalf of my family would like to just, in this particular area, would like to wish that family should get the strength to bear this irreparable loss. Thank you very much. Om Shanti.
Thank you, Rotarians, for attending this meeting today. Now I adjourn the meeting and request you to stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you. Thank you, friends.